All right, today we are going to write the equation from the lines. So we're graphing lines in slope-intercept form. We've done the table, we've done the graph, we've done the equation, and now it's fully from the graph with a y-intercept. So here are the steps to write y equals mx plus b from the graph. The first thing we're going to do is where does the line cross the y-axis, and that is the y-intercept, which is the b. Is the line going up or down? Is it a positive or negative slope? So is it a positive or negative m? And then we're going to find the rise and the run. So we're going to go up or down, and then we're going to run to the line. And then we're going to put the equation in y equals mx plus b, where y equals the slope, x plus the y-intercept. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is, okay, according to our rules, where does the line cross the y-axis? So we have this, y equals 1/4 x minus 1. So we don't, instead of looking for the line, we're going to make the line. Okay, so we have -1. We're going to put a dot at -1. That's where the line crosses the axis. It's going to cross right there. And the rise and the run is 1/4. Rise, run. Okay, and it is positive, so we're going to rise up and we're going to run 4. So we're going to rise 1 and then we're going to run 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make a dot. Then we're going to rise 1 and we're going to run 4, and it would keep on going to the right. And I can connect my lines right there. Okay, so the y-intercept is -1, and my m is 1/4. I'm going to rise 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All right, so we have y equals 4/3 x minus 4. Right here is the b. Okay, minus b. This is the m. So it is -4, so I'm going to find -4 on the y-axis and put a dot. And then 4/3 is the rise and run. Okay, I'm going to rise, and then I'm going to run to the right. So I'm going to rise 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to run to the right. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to connect this. All right, and notice that it makes a triangle. Okay, same thing here. It makes a skinny triangle, but it does make a triangle. Okay. All right, let's do another one. Okay, y equals -3x minus 3. So this is my b, this is my m. So I'm going to find -3, 1, 2, 3, make a dot. And this is my rise and run. It doesn't have a fraction, but remember, to make a fraction, to make a number out of a fraction, we put it over 1. So this is my rise, this is my run. Okay. So notice that my rise is negative. So instead of actual rising, we're going to go down, and we're still going to run to the right. Okay, so I'm going to rise, or I'm going to go down 3. 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to rise 1 and put a dot. And if there was more to the graph, I could make it. Okay. All right, so notice that it goes down for this negative slope.